Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here again with another vehicle for our July 5th, 2023 online government and estate auction. I believe this is a lot number N-1011, and it is a 2002 International 9400i, I guess a tandem axle highway tractor. I think it's a 177 wheelbase. This is a government surplus from one of the local municipalities here in the Metro Vancouver area. Just trying to think, towed into our facility here in Langley, and then of course we drive them around our yard just kind of for testing. Literally, I think I've changed, 2 gears. I went from the front yard, or sorry, the backyard to the front yard, and then from the front yard to the backyard to where it's parked now, so I can do the video. The truck seems to run and operate as required. I mean, we don't test everything, that. It's got a wet kit on it, so hydraulic system here, and the hydraulic system designed to power an end dump trailer, dump trailers, or trailers like that Wilkins walk-in floor trailer, which is also in the auction sale, and so is that garbage truck, by the way. Tires appear to be in good, I'd say good to above average condition. This side here, it looks like they're mixed, by the way, probably retreads or recaps. These are BFG 11R 22.5s. These ones here also BFGs. Looks like there was some Michelins on the inside there. I think this side here is the same. Michelin on the outside and some Bridgestone. So various tread amounts, but probably still decent for a few more thousand, or tens of thousands kilometers. I'm not sure. I'm not a truck driver. I'll just let you look here. A lot of the axle information and stuff like that, of course, is posted in the pictures online. Kind of hard to show that in this video. I will do a startup though. So I'll just continue walking. I'll show you the passenger side. Door's a little stiff, probably not used, probably has really probably never carried a passenger. So here you go. Seats are in probably decent condition. I think it's a 18-speed transmission, but we'll see that when we get to the other side. Power windows, of course. A couple of the dents in the grill here, and then a dent in the bumper right there. A little bit of damage here in the corner. Cracking, paint chip, looks like maybe a previous repair. Tires on the front, that's a Michelin, so I would assume probably the same on the other side, but of course I didn't look. There's the wet kit for you. So I'll put the camera low and stuff it underneath here so you can take a look. The municipality didn't declare anything as being an issue with this vehicle, but of course that doesn't mean that there isn't maintenance and repairs required. We deal with the disposal manager, and sometimes the information doesn't get passed along. That's why vehicles are sold as is. Okay, I'll turn on the night switch here. So yeah, what do we got here? Eaton Fuller 15 speed, 15 speed. So there you go. Driver's seat again, looks to be in no rips or tears, so pretty reasonable. A few options, of course, included. I just climb inside here. All the warning lights illuminate and then go off except for low fuel, because of course the fuel level is down into that yellow. I did check the tanks to see if I needed to put some fuel in it, and I wouldn't say that they're down under a quarter of a tank or eighth of a tank. So there might be some issues with the gauge. Well, yes, I guess I gotta energize the system here. Just gotta adjust the camera again. So what do we got? Keys. 626,971 kilometers, 22,196 hours. Yeah, so there you go. That's what we've got on the system. Like I said, everything seems to, gauges all seem to move and operate as required. We don't test everything, so I don't test the air conditioning. I don't test windshield wipers and windows and stuff like that. That's for you to test. You can come down to the viewing here and try all that stuff out if that's really a great concern. Because it's a used vehicle, and so there's general maintenance normally required to anything that you purchase. And so keep that in mind. I don't see any chips or cracks in the window. So glass is in good condition. I'll just fire it up here for you. Let you listen. I'm going to turn the fan off so you don't hear that noise. Look at that, fuel levels come up now out of the yellow, so maybe it's just the angle that I was parked at before. Parking brake's on. Of course the parking brake is on, so that light is working. And as some of you might have guessed, it is cat powered. I'll just hop out here and go lift the hood so you can listen to the motor. Just gonna go shut it off. I don't hear any air leaks for you. So this is selling unreserved on our July 5th, 2023 auction. We are located here in Langley, British Columbia. And of course, everything sells to the highest bid. So, oh, and one thing I should mention, We did have an issue with this filter system here, keeping fuel in it. We were told by the municipality, of course, that there was no issues with the truck, but I think it's the valve here, because it seemed to be dripping no matter where we positioned that valve. So we had to reprime that, and we put a bolt in the drain here, so you might need to replace that valve, only because it did seem that if it was sitting, it would continually just have a little tiny drip, and so as it sat here, it did lose its prime and we had to get it bled. So just letting you know what we've done here at the yard. So again, regular maintenance stuff, I would assume. So item is selling, unreserved, highest bid wins, July 5th, bcsurplus.com. That's the auction site we use right there, and we are located in Langley, British Columbia. Hope you get another buy auction. Thank you very much.